Hey guys, tail lights on my truck here just aren't what they used to be. They're getting pretty worn out. I went on Amazon, got me some tail lights, real cheap. And we're gonna show you how to install them today. I'll show you my tail lights and what I'm talking about. Here we go, we'll put a link down in the comments or description. Came in a box, quick shipping. And here they are. These are some of the easiest taillights to change. You can see the spot in here, and there's a spot here, and this one right here. For these Sierras and Silverados, you just have 2 Phillips head screws. That's it. Lower your tailgate to expose them. Once your screws are out, the taillights just pull right out. What's really cool about these taillights is they come with the wiring harness that goes down. You feed it down here, go underneath your vehicle. Don't need to have it lifted up or anything. Disconnect the connector, plug the new wiring harness in. It's pretty sweet, especially since these are known to corrode inside of here over the years. So I'm not even gonna lift it up. Just grab some spare cardboard, put on my Delphi headlamp, run underneath of there. Super easy, anybody can do it. Flathead screwdriver pops the hold downs off in about 0.5 seconds. For the wiring harness, just pull on the clip, pull out, easy. All right, so now we just feed our wiring harness down through our hole. Bulbs are supplied with the unit, which is really nice. We'll take this plastic off. Tail light just pops right in. Now we start our screws and tighten them up. These are supplied with the upgraded hardware, super nice. All right, we're all installed. 5-minute job. Let's get the other side done, see what they look like. There we have it, all installed, easy peasy. Let's turn our running lights on. Looks good. Thanks for watching, guys.